Hello everyone, it's been a while since I've done one of these things, so this is about take 4 or 5, and I do apologise to my upper sixth form who were kind enough to record it for me, but I've had to go back and do it again. So, we're coming into the mock exam season. This is far from ideal. This is not the way we'd want it done, but it's the way that we kind of have to do it. And I spoke about this a couple of weeks ago, but a lot has happened since then, and you've had an awful lot of things to do, an awful lot of things on your mind. And I just wanted to get across a critical point. These exams matter, but they're not the be-all and end-all. They're not going to be the final number that we put on your UCAS grades. And as a result, I think we all just need to calm down a bit. But I can give over to Samuel L. Jackson, who will be able to explain it perhaps a little bit better.
Yo! Hold up! Time out! Time out! Y'all take a chill. You need to cool that shit out. And that's the double truth. Rule.
Yes, these exams matter. These mocks do matter, and we're going to use those mocks to inform the grades that we put on your UCAS form. We're going to hold as close as we can to the standard formula, which you should know is mock grade +1 But we obviously understand that you guys have been through an awful lot. You've been through an ordeal that we can't even begin to imagine. And as a result of that, we're going to make sure that these are the grades that you deserve. Yes, these mocks are going to help us make that decision, but we will be using a bit of discretion to make sure that they accurately reflect what we think is the best case scenario for you and when you go into the final exams. Now, just on that, I need to make this absolutely clear. These are not predicted grades. This is not what we are predicting you are going to return in the final exam. That's a long way away, and more importantly, what these UCAS grades are is essentially they're a distillation of the best possible case. They're what we think that you could possibly get in this exam given every single thing going in your favor. So the wind at your back, the sun in your face, the lines, your stars all lined up. These are not predictions. They are best case scenarios across all three subjects. And I just want to make that abundantly clear. These are not predicted grades. These are UCAS grades. And this is a game that we play with universities, and they know the rules and we know the rules, but it's critical that you know the rules as well. We are not making predicted grades at this point. With the exam that far away, that would be absolutely nuts. So the UCAS grades that go onto your UCAS form are not predictions. They're best case scenarios. We hope you get them. We really, really do hope you get them. And the data has suggested that our grades are more accurate than the university standard. So we will make sure that you get the grades that you deserve. The mocks will help us make that decision, but if it all goes catastrophically wrong in the mocks, don't think for a second that we're going to carry that across and cut your UCAS form off at the knees, okay? That's just not going to happen. So as Samuel said, we all need to chill out. These exams really are for your benefit more than anybody else's. That probably sounds a bit odd, but these exams will show where you are in the course. We've been teaching you for over a year already. We've got a pretty good idea where you are in the course, and we can make that prediction. We can fold that into our UCAS grades and do that to make an informed decision there. What these mocks will show you is where you are in this process and what you need to do to improve. So speak to your teachers, speak to the heads of department, speak to your tutors, and speak to me. This is all part of a continuing, ongoing process to make sure that your UCAS form is good to go by half term. So let's make sure that's the case. Come and see me if you've got any questions at all. And good luck in the exams.